Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a swap that I am a part of with Maria. I will have her linked below. She currently has an IG account and she doesn't have a YouTube that's active, but you may see her in the comments. I will pin her. Please go check her out. So our swapped entailed of a medium priority USPS priority box. And so we decided to do anything. So let's go ahead and get into it. I love how she decorated it. Everything looks amazing. We have a card right here. I'm going to go ahead and open that. Yes, amazing swap. So I read the card. Thank you so much, Maria. So let's get into it. I'm going to remove the box and put it to the side, and then we could dig into it. So this again was on the top. There's all the beautiful colors, and I love this right here. This stuff is amazing. So let's get into it. First thing I see is this, and it is tissue paper with the bee, and I'm definitely keeping this, as well as this tool. And I love the daisies on this tool. It's just fitting for the bees. So let's see what's in here. I can't wait. Very excited. Let's see here. Ooh, what is this? Okay, let's see here. Okay. I'm thinking, okay, it's a little pocket, and she has this beautiful ribbon or trim or fluffiness here. I love this. Definitely will be using this again. And let's see here. This looks amazing, Maria. Look at this. So she has some, she has a tassel here that she made. Really cute with a little bow. And let's get into this. Look at this flower here. She glittered it. So pretty. And I have yet to make one of these. This is my first one received. Thank you so much. And I've done a swap with her before. I believe 2 years ago we did a swap, and it was for Christmas, I believe. And so now 2 years later, here we are, another swap. And look at these bees, you guys. You guys know I love bees. And in pink, amazing pink bees. I love it. So definitely will be using these because I love bees. Can't wait for that next year. And this little pocket, which I love as well. And then this little heart. So cute. And then we got some flowers. Look how beautiful these flowers are. I love the colors. So cute. And look how different the centers. I've never seen that. That's one thing about Maria, is that she uses different elements for her crafting, and you don't see it anywhere else. She's very original. So look at this right here. I love this little scooper arm. I love these charms, and I love this. Maria, this is amazing. I love this little thing. I've never made one of these, but oh, I love the shaker sound. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see what else is in here. I see a little pin with a sewing machine on it. Well, not little, but you know what I mean. Oh, okay, so open it this way. Ooh, I love the tip on that too. Nice pin that will be used. And I always use my pins. We got some Primas and some Paper Studio, and I love the bees. How cute are these? Super cute. And I love the Prima flowers. Look how playful they are. I'm not sure if I've seen these at my Hobby Lobby or not. I can't remember because I usually stay away from Primas because they're so expensive. But thank you so much for these. Very summery and spring. yeah, they would go really good with Sunny Days. I almost forgot the name. Sunny Days. So I love that. Thank you so much, Maria. I love this little pouch. Love it. So cute. And I love that she used the bee paper because I am hoarding that paper. I haven't used it yet. And I love that bee paper. I have not used it in it. And I love this little thing. I forget which crafter came up with this. If you guys know, please link it down below. Okay, you guys, after that amazingness, let's see what else. Okay, she included this, and I love these. I love these so much, and I love her little flower on the top. So cute, and let's dig in. Ooh, we got little bees here. My goodness, look at this. How cute is that bee? That is so cute. It's made out of, looks like a wood bead. It's a wood bead and made out of, oh, look at that. I love it. So cute. I love that. And then she has some of these in there, which I will be using. Thank you for that. And then these bees, I don't think I'll use these bees because oh, they're so cute. I love them. Look at that. How cute are these? These are adorable. I love that. Look at this, purple. Definitely good for garden party. I am not, my mind is lagged right now. I'm forgetting names. And I just drank coffee too, so. And it's day, so look at this bee. I love it. So pretty. So cute. That one's a yellow instead of a gold. And then we got some more of these. So cute. And she backed that one. Look how cute. Oh, I love the star. The star is cute. I could use that for Halloween. Love that. And I always love those bubble thingies. So cute. That was in the box. Let's see what else. Ooh, 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 ooh. I see a pencil case. So here's a pencil case. Now let's dig in. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful, you guys. Look at this tassel. So pretty. I love all the colors. I love the trim. This is pretty, Maria. Look at that fabric right there. I love how she included fabric. That is cute. I love it. Look at all these colors. And look at this one. This one's so pretty. This one too. Oh, I love it. And look at this huge clasp. So pretty. I love how you put this in here and it fits so perfectly in there. So pretty. Thank you so much for that. Let's see here. Little bag, and I love this little bag. How cute is it? I love it. Look at that. That is a cute little bag. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's dump it out. Oh, okay. So she sent a tassel, and I've never seen this before, you guys. That is cute. I love it, Maria. Thank you. And then look at this, you guys. This is so pretty and dainty. Butterfly dangle. I love this bead right here. It has some of that gold specks. So pretty. And I love the butterfly. Look at that. It has like sequins on it. So cute. I love this cassette tape. These are very cute. I've seen them before. Used for, oh, I forget the collection. I'm forgetting the names, you guys. But you know what collection I'm talking about. Maggie Holmes, of course. The 80s style one. I forget the name. Ooh, look at this, you guys. Okay, so this is my first ice cream cone, you guys. And it kind of opened a little bit. So, okay, let's close it. Look at this. This is my first one. Thank you, Maria, for this. So cute. Oh Oh my goodness. I think this SVG file is from svgs.com, I believe. Yeah, I think I've seen it there, but not sure. But I love it. I love the ice cream cone. So let's dig in. Ooh, ooh, look at that. So cute. Okay, she sent some bows, which I absolutely love these. We'll get into that right now. Oh, look at this, you guys. How pretty. How pretty is that? Oh, let's look at this. Look how huge this safety pin is. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty and dainty. I love how she did that on that safety pin, and she added dangles. So pretty, you guys. So dainty. I love it. I love the cloud. That is beautiful, Maria. And then, oh my goodness, what is this? This is so cute. Look at that. It's like a rainbow shape or a U shape. And then she has, oh, look how smallest mini tassels I've ever seen. Look how cute. And then a bead. And then the bow. That is so cute, Maria. Okay, and then she sent these. How fun are these? Always use those for packaging. Thank you for that, Maria. Okay, let's get into the bows. Okay, these bows are so cute, you guys. I love the colors, too. Look at that blue. That blue's so cute. Oh, look at that one. I need to make that. Look at this one. How pretty is that? I love that. And then this gold one, so pretty. And then the blue, so pretty. And the pink, of course, and this one is doubled up. I love that. And then, oh, look at the gray. The gray is so cute. And I absolutely love the blue. It looks so pretty. Thank you, Maria. These will definitely be used. I'm gonna put that in my bow stash and use it as I go. Probably not till next year, so you'll see that next year. And that was my ice cream cone. That was such a cute little cone. Okay, you guys, let's see what else is in here. I see more. I see more. Okay, I see this fun pouch, and it says, "Please don't touch my crafty stuff." How cute. And then she added this tassel right here. So nothing on the back. Let's go ahead and get in it. Oh, thank you so much, Maria. She sent me a garden party ephemera, and she sent me, oh, thank you for this. I was looking for this everywhere. Yeah, you guys, they were sold out at the time when I was looking for this. The puffy stickers, which I love to make miniature embellishments with, and I was on the hunt for these and I couldn't find it. But thank you for the ephemera. Thank you for this. And then she made these little strips of like ribbon out of crepe paper and some, oh yeah, this is the ribbon from Joann's, I believe. But oh, is my lighting off? So you can see that. I love this. This one's cute. And look at this. So pretty. Thank you so much for this. I appreciate it. We got two more things, you guys. And the next thing is, ooh, I got one of these ribbon cards. Oh my goodness. Thank you. This is so cute. I love it. And I love this. Look, oh, my lighting is so light. It's so bright, so. Wow, I love this. Love this so much, Maria. And she added this beautiful pin. I just love it. Look at the back, you guys. It's pink on the back. And it's framed with gold. So pretty. And I love this here. So dainty. I love it. I love how she crafts like really dainty. I love that style too, you guys. So dainty is one of my faves. so pretty. Thank you so much, Maria, for that. And then the last project is this right here. It looks like an altered caddy, not a caddy, an altered like hat box, like those vintage hat boxes. I love it. So yeah, it's definitely altered because I saw this right here. So she added this, all this right here, flowers, ephemera pieces, and she glued it flat. And let's get into it. Let's see what's in here. So I love how it opens too. Oh, look at this. Okay, so first she sent some ribbon. So cute. These are like rainbow colors, so definitely could be used for mermaid or unicorn, which I have yet to craft. I've never done those before. And then I see some socks, and oh my goodness, stop it. You guys, look at these V socks. I love them. Love. Thank you so much for these. I will be using those. Maybe not. I might hoard them. She sent some of these brads, which I do use, so thank you so much. And then she sent this Hobby Lobby trim that we all love. Thank you so much, Maria. I love everything that you made, and I love everything that you gifted. Thank you so much. This was such an adorable, cute little swap we did, and it was just small and sweet, you guys. So I loved it. Thank you so much, Maria. You guys, I hope you guys liked it. Please check Maria out. She will be linked below. And sorry to crash the Halloween party, but this was my last swap for summer, and I loved everything. You guys, hope you guys did too. So get a little break from the Halloween, and then you can see some last minute summer projects. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.